And then right here on the table in front, we also have one of our top new sellers. It's number 12 new and 40 overall. And that's these globes here in this nice dark green that have the beautiful winter trees on the front.
Yes, the pattern on it is really pretty, and trees seem to be trending. Tree design, tree artwork, tree tabletop, and these globes that light up are a beautiful extension of the holiday season. And I'm really I gravitate to the color because teal and aquas are my favorites.
Mine too.
I have a lot of that color in my home at home, so I really am enjoying Aurora this year.
I like it too. And I look at it and go, well, I tend to do the same thing you do. Those are my favorite colors. Like if I look at all my earrings at home, they're almost all teal. So I kind of do that same thing. But Aurora does pull on that just a little bit. These items for these globes here in front of you, folks, that are keeping a little notepad next to you or you're logged into your account, is 95584 for those globes here on the table. Now, we're going to come over here and talk a little bit about that same look you were just discussing with the trees on it being so popular. We brought in a lot of new candle holders, but the number one new candle holders happen to be these three in front of us.
Yes, and you really don't even have to add a candle to it because it comes with the the fairy lights inside. It's battery operated, but it has that beautiful tree pattern, that treescape on the exterior of it with the deer.
With the deer.
Yes.
You got to put a deer in there.
That's right.
Well, it's number 9 on the new, for all the new SKUs that came in, and it's number 30 overall. So that's ranking pretty high, and it's definitely the highest set of candle holders that we have. We have some candle holders that were ranked number 2 and number 5 of all new products. And the candle holders are here on this table. We have the 3 votives, and then we have the other set of 2 that are available to us. Let's talk about those.
Well, we know blue is a trending color, so these are doing quite well. And they look great in so many of our collections this year. We're showing it here in Ski Dog. You can also see it in Winter's Night, Aurora, and we also have Comfort and Joy that features some of those new blue tones.
We happen to have also the Fia Flame in here. And of course, Fia Flame, we did not put them in our top list when we ran it because they're always number 1 and number 2. As we turn here, and the next collection that we have some disc ornaments that did make our top new products, ranked number 27 and number 72, and they are a disc of trees.
Yeah, it comes 3 assorted trees, but I think what really makes them special is the gold edging on there. It frames it so nicely.
And they are 94437 if you're adding those to your list, those disc ornaments that are available to you. And those are in our top as well.